Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a quick, easy, cheap meal for $5. It will be ground beef covered with mashed potatoes and some rolls, and everything was less than $5 with ground turkey. I always knew this was a cheap meal, but I did not know it was a struggle meal. It's just a meal that my family loves, and I really loves it. So yeah, $5, less than $5, because the ground beef, the ground turkey was $1.99. The potatoes I had, Kroger had a sale by 2 bag. You get one free, so I think one bag was like $2 something. So I'm gonna say about $1.50. So that's $3.50, and then my rolls was $1, $4.50. A meal for $4.50 to feed a family of 4 or more. Let's see how many people can we feed with this meal. First, I have some bell peppers and some jalapeno peppers, and they are free. You know how they are free? Well, they're not really free, but I grew them in my garden. That's why the bell pepper is so little. That's one of them guys that could have let it grow a little more. But I'm like, I need a bell pepper, so that's a good side. And then the jalapeno peppers, still growing, but I'm like, I need some jalapeno. So yeah, I got these from my tree that I've been growing since around March of last year. So yeah, let's start. I did not realize until I started seeing stuff saying a struggle meal. I'm like, it's not a struggle meal for us. We love that meal. So yeah, really cheap, especially if you use ground turkey. Ground turkey, you really have to season that up really good to make it taste good. So I'm gonna show you guys how to really season this up. And my jalapenos, I leave the season so it can really have a spicy taste. Yes. Okay, since the ground turkey don't have that much grease in it, we're just gonna add a little bit of this to it to give it a little bit of grease. Then we're gonna put some onions. And we're gonna put some bell peppers. Then we're gonna put some jalapenos. I probably should go get another couple of jalapenos. Some black pepper. You can get these at Kroger for $1.25, and sometimes Walmart have them for $1. Don't use too much of this sea salt. And we have some garlic. And we have some onion powder, crushed peppers. Stir it up a little. Here is our ground turkey, $1.99 at Walmart. $1.99 at Walmart. Kroger probably got it too for $1.99. You have to really season this meat up with ground turkey. Some more seasoning to it. Then some black pepper. Some more onion on top. and then cook a little bit before we start turning. Okay, here go the potatoes. Idaho potatoes, a 5-pound bag. I got these at Kroger, buy one get one free. And I think one was like almost $3, so I want to see $1.50 for this bag. We're gonna use half. So really, let's say $1 for the potato, because we're not using the whole thing. I'm gonna use 75 cents to $1 with the potatoes. Be back. 14 potatoes, so we're gonna use half. 7 and 7. That's the best part, the mashed potatoes. Okay, there we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 potatoes. Okay, here go all the potatoes. Rinse them off. You're gonna want to rinse them off again. And sometimes you can use rice. You don't really have to peel all the hug off. You can cook them with the hug on there. And since that bag only costs us $1.50, we're gonna go ahead and use 3 more. Okay, this is the last one. And we'll cook them like this and cut them like that. Cut them into. And that's how it looks when you get them all cut up and you put them to boil. Then we'll come over here, check the meat. Done. Put the potatoes on. Okay, we're ready to put the potatoes on. And that's it. Let them boil and I'll be back. And then we'll add a little salt while they're boiling. Rolls that I bought at Walmart, I think it was $1, might have been under $1. Okay, we spray some of this on there. I'm only gonna leave them in there like about 5 or 10 minutes. Be back. Okay, we gotta make some gravy now. The bouillon in here. Here goes water. Or seasoning. Cut some onion up in there. A little more water. Some seasoning, black pepper. Stir it up. Okay, got the butter, the milk, put some seasoning. More butter. Got the potatoes. Yeah. And the potato smasher. A little more black pepper. Potatoes. Here go my food. I found the corn in there, so I did it. It's hot. Put a little more meat on it. I could have made my potato a little more thicker. I shouldn't have added that milk at the end. Put my corn on a piece. It's hot. It's good, but it's hot. It's hot.